If you're a Dungeon Master, I think you're going to love this tool. Let's do our first steps in NPC Forge. Let's begin. The first step is to create your campaign. If you already have a setting that you're using, you just write the name of the setting, the campaign type. In this case, we have many to choose from. I'm going to go for high fantasy for my world. And then you write a description here that summarizes the most important things for your world. NPC Forge's engine will use this context to generate everything else and to help you build a world that is connected. Let's update and next. Now let's build a couple of locations and factions. You can create as many as you want, but for this video, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to click on create location. And now this is what I wrote. A hidden mountain fortress where a silver dragon has been sleeping in secret for centuries. When I click generate, this will pull the information from the campaign to generate a location that makes sense in my world. Let's go for it. Now I have here with a name and a description, a location that I can use to build some NPCs. I confirm and create, and let's build a faction now. I click factions, create faction, and now let's go for, to connect the faction and the location, I put a guild of master hunters living in the Argentum Spire, and then I copied the location from before. Now let's generate the faction. Alright, here I have them. As you can see, it's called Argentum Sentinels because they live in the Argentum Spire, so it makes sense. Let's confirm. And now we have two, so we can continue. Let's click on next, and now let's go for some NPCs. Now for the NPCs, I'm gonna make one that belongs to this city and to this faction. To make it fun, I wrote a Kenku bird person monster hunter with a crossbow. And here I have him, with the description, the portrait, the traits, and a short backstory. I save him, and let's create another one. Create another NPC. We're gonna do same location and same faction. I wrote a wizard alchemist in charge of providing with potions and other herbs the monster hunter. Let's forge, and here we have her. Let's go to save. And I already have both NPCs here. Let's continue. Now we're gonna create a relationship. So let's choose Thalindra, and then Kenku, and the relationship type is going to be student. Why not? Let's generate. And here we have a relationship. Perfect for plot hooks and quests. Let's continue. And now let's build a quest. The quest giver is going to be the Kenku. Quest template. Let's go for exploration. My quest prompt is explore the weird breathing noises coming from the cellar. Let's see what we get. You can see I get a complete quest that I can create. And I have it here. Let's continue with the onboarding experience, and now it's time for a war element. I decided to create a tavern for the city. Now I have all this information. I create, and I have it. And now I can complete the experience.